Hello beautiful people, I'm Hui Ping from Inakit. After my previous video on making a poodle with pipe cleaner, some of you asked me to try making other kinds of animals. So today, I'll be showing you how to make a cute little kitten using pipe cleaners. If there's any other animal you would like me to make, feel free to leave the comment and let me know. Alright, without further ado, let's get started. We need 2 rabbit fur pipe cleaner to make this cat. Let's take the first one and start with the head. Leave about a hand's length as a reserve, then wrap the pipe cleaner around your index and middle finger. Twist it with the shorter part to secure it. These 2 loops will form the upper and lower lip of the cat. Next, let's make the ears. Take the longer end and insert it through the 2 loops we just made. Cat ears are usually short, so leave about 1 finger's length. Repeat the same one on the other side. And now you have 2 ears. Adjust the shape a little so the ear face forward. Now, bring the longer pipe cleaner to the back. Pass it through the middle of the ears. Then open the upper lip and insert it through the lower lip. Adjust the shape so the pipe cleaner sits in the center. This will form the cat's forehead. To make the cheek fuller, insert the pipe cleaner horizontally through the forehead line. Then, go around the back and do the same thing. This also round out the back of the head. Once done, twist it with the shorter end to secure the head. Now let's move on to the body. Use the same pipe cleaner to bend out the arm. Keep all the limbs the same length, about 2 fingers joint length. Twist the remaining length into the body. Then, take the second pipe cleaner to extend it, and continue shaping the body and legs. For the legs, you can twist slightly to secure them. Since our cat has a long tail, let's form that before bending the second leg. Flip to the back, press the shorter end into the body to secure the tail. Leave enough length for the tail itself. After that, shape the second leg. And use the rest of the pipe cleaner to wrap around to form the body. Now comes the trimming part. In order to have a more realistic look, the most important way is by trimming. Before trimming, brush the fiber neatly. Start with the face outline. Trim slowly to shape the head so you don't overcut it. Trim the mouth into an upside down V shape. Shorten the fur under the chin to refine the shape. It's starting to look more alike. The one I'm making here is a short hair cat, so I will trim it a little shorter. Once the trimming is done, you can add color to match your cat's unique pattern. Attach the eyes and nose and touch up with a few details. And there you have it, your personal pipe cleaner cat.